So I have a few other little tricks. One of them is this sprinkle to taste mic. This is the mic that's kind of under the snare by the floor tom. I've got a gate on my console. I'll show you why here in a minute. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to engage the insert. The insert is this radial XTC up to the polysaturator pedal, down to the beard verb. Now this is a custom pedal. It's basically an analog delay. That's all it is. But it's really special and it was made for me and I love it. So we're gonna check that out. I don't know what it's gonna sound like in the track, but it sounds pretty awesome right now. My console does have a gate. I'm gonna turn that on. It basically is really only gonna just shut off the noise when he's not playing. And that's pretty cool. So turn that on now. Now I'm gonna unsolo this. Here's with it in. And here's with it cut. So the next thing is I'm going to see if the phase of that is in phase. So hang on one second. Hey, young Jake. Hey, can you just hit the snare for me a few times? I think it sounds better out of phase.